Well, hello there. Yes, it's me, Carline anglade-cole, and welcome to episode 6 of Wow, Which One Won? You know, the show where I'm going to help you figure out which one won of my cover test to try to help you pick out the winners from the wieners. And today we're going to talk about a product, a blood pressure product from a company called Health Resources, and it was for the product was Advanced BP Solutions. I think it was the name of it, Advanced BP Solution. This is interesting. There's a little twist to this one, okay? I will tell you that now. I'll tell you what the twist is later. But we have four covers for this blood pressure launch that I did. And so I want you to put on your smart hats and your whatever else you got to do to give you some brain power and help me figure out which one won, right? So let's get started. Now, the first cover was more of a testimonial approach. This product had, people who were very, we were able to find people who said this worked really great for me. We had people try it out before we actually launched it, and so they had great results. So we thought, well, let's just bring it up here. Let's talk about what they had. Now, this was a little bit back in the day when you could make a lot of blood, claims like this about, from 179 over 92, 138 over 80. Now it's gotten a lot more tougher to make those kind of claims and get away with it on your covers. But in this case, we did. So these are different covers that show what people had, the testimonials of the success that they had with the product. And so my headline becomes, what did it? What did it? A remarkable all-natural blood pressure formula guaranteed to work for you or is free. So this is cover number 1. And then cover number 2, I thought, well, you know what? Let's go a little more scientific here. And let's talk about the new breakthrough for healthy blood pressure. And scientists now claim that this little known nutrient may be the real secret to healthy blood pressure, and then lots of credibility on here with the medical and scientific proof inside. So this whole concept of this is a new breakthrough of blood pressure. That was a test for it. That was number 2. And then number 3, I just came up and just said, all right, let me just ask the question. Got high blood pressure? If you've tried everything and nothing is working, please know this, it is not your fault. It's not your fault. New research reveals why 30% of Americans can't get their blood pressure under control. So just in your face, ask the question if that's you, and then having a graphic that shows something people could be very familiar with, which is getting your blood pressure tested. So that is cover number 3. And then the final cover, blood pressure shocker. All right, surprising reason why your blood pressure won't go down no matter what you do. And so just a little basic chart that kind of just shows those numbers going up. A lot of credibility on here with the medical and scientific proof inside, but this is the blood pressure shocker. All right, so those are your 4 to choose from. Let me show them to you one more time. Number 1 is more the testimonial. What did it? And then number 2 is more scientific, the new breakthrough for healthy blood pressure. Then number 3 is much more in-your-face question. You got high blood pressure? If that's you, and I know when I ask questions in my headlines, I try to make sure the answer is always what I want it to be. In this case, I know I was marketing to people who had blood pressure issues. So that's a duh. Yes, of course I have it. That's why I'm getting this. Okay. And then the third one is the blood pressure shocker, that no matter what you do, it's not going to go down. And here's the reason why. You'll find out inside. All right, copy star. What do you think? What's the winner? I'm going to create my drum roll now. A little fancy this time. All right, so drum roll completed. Please put your answer down. Put your answers down here. Let me know what you're thinking. I do check these, and I'm very impressed by your answers. So, and good for you. Most of you are getting it right too. Congrats on that. Like I said, I usually get them wrong. But all right, are we ready? And the winner is, well, this is where I told you the little twist here. Remember I mentioned earlier the little twist? We did not get 1 winner, but we got 2 winners, because 2 of these covers were just equally strong. So the client could actually rotate the 2 covers. Now, I'll give you a chance one more time. Now that you know that little bit of information, all right, 2 were winners. Now there is going to be one that's officially a winner, but that second one is so close that it is almost, we're going to be able to rotate them very quickly with those covers. So now, you want to change your mind? You still want to keep it? All right. I always say stick with your first answer. Okay. Stick with the first answer. Don't change it, but you can if you want to. All right. Now, here we go. The actual winner was, bam, got high blood pressure in your face headline, right? Well, like I said, the one that came a very close second and became a secondary control was blood pressure shocker. So in this case, the client was very happy because he had not one, but two covers he could rotate. I'm happy because that meant my promotions are mailing longer, which means my royalty checks are going to come to me even more often, or even for longer periods of time. So that was great. I can't remember how long this promotion lasted. I know it probably mailed for over a year. I don't remember the exact length of this one. I kind of lost track, couldn't figure it out in my notes. But anyway, I know it was a control, it was a winner, and it did pay. All right, that's all that matters to me. So anyway, that's fun. If you love this, if you're really having fun with this, let me know. You can, by the way, you can send me an email to let me know what you think about this too. You can send to me at Carline at carline-cole.com. So you feel free to do that, or just leave your message right here. So I will check it. I'll check the messages from you too. Let me know if you like this stuff, because if you like it and you feel like you're learning from it, I will go back into my treasure chest of covers and I will dig up some more and show them to you, because this is really important. If you can learn how to write different covers, that's going to take you a lot. And remember, it's not just for direct mail. When you learn how to write good covers, you can take that copy and you can use it online. That headline could be your subject line. Remember? So you can switch off that stuff. So you can, when you learn how to do this and learn how to spot good headlines, your headlines can become your subject lines when you're doing email marketing too. Okay, great. Was that helpful? If so, if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Subscribe to this channel. Please like this channel. I like to be liked. Okay, so do that. And I will see you next time.